Hi friends, today I will show you how to install Flash Player. For that Flash Player we have to go to browser, just type here, see here Flash Player free download is there. Just click on Flash Player download. Yeah, this is the step. If you it is security options, then no need that one. If you keep these options, system will work slowly. Better to remove these things and click on install now button. Yeah, it is installing. Just a moment, keep watching. It will take time to install flashplayer. See here, exe file is downloaded. Just click on that, click run. Yeah, sure. Allowing this process, click yes. After click only, it is allow the installation. Yeah, it is recommended. Click on next button. Yeah, files are downloading. Just a moment. Yeah, please reset your browser, restart your browser and click on finish button. Now see, yeah, download is completed. Just try to speed test. Till now we get here download the flash player option. Now it is showing. Using the flash only it will work. Okay, thank you for watching my video.